Hi guys, I'm here with a taste test video. I'm gonna try these sea salted caramel beaver nuggets from buc-ee. I've never tried these before, so we shall see. They smell good. I'm usually not into the sea salt caramel, but I have to give these a try. Here's what they look like. Those are really good. There's just a tiny hint of salt. So you get mostly sweet and caramely with that little hint of salt. And then it has a texture of like a Cheeto. So that's pretty good. If you have a Buc-ee's near you, I recommend these for sure. We just got one in our town. I think last year, I'm not sure. Or maybe the year before that. It hasn't been there that long. I think they're really building up that area. They got a bunch of restaurants around there and everything. And they're building a whole shopping plaza. So kind of cool. Except I still want to go to Colorado. But that's at least 2 years away. Hopefully it'll happen. It's so pretty there. I really want to live there. But I can't move yet. I've got too much debt to pay off and stuff to settle, and I need to dwindle down all the crap in my house because, again, admittedly a hoarder. So there is a lot of stuff that needs to be given away, sold, gotten rid of. And it's hard. It's really hard. And it's so much work. And especially since I have to do most of it by myself. And every single time I go into that back room, it's like severe anxiety hits me. I get overwhelmed. I get stressed. Sometimes I have panic attacks. It's not only overwhelming because of this stuff, but because of the emotional connection or memories, like crappy memories, finding this or that or the other that brings back those little memories that sort of attack me and just make me want to crawl into a hole and die. So, going through this stuff is a process. It's a very long and hard process. And I get mean. I do get mean. But I really, there's just so much stuff that happened. It's not even funny. And it was for no reason. this eyeliner has held up for several hours. It dries really nicely. We didn't do as good on this side. I've been seeing the video that like this one looks more. And this one's kind of light. It's not because it wore off, it's just because it didn't really do it that great. It kept like slipping. Oh, I'm not that great on my left eye. It's a little easier to do the right eye. Then when you have to go over here, it's like, oh well. I still think it looks pretty. I'm gonna get my see a little bit of bling and pop. Next time I might try it with the black eyeliner and then the glittery on top of that. That'll look good. I'm gonna get an extra to pop. So I got a whole bunch of little penny haul items. So I'm gonna do it in another video. So I'm excited about that. I'll be doing videos of those as I get a few. 3, 4, 5, however many I get. And I spent as low as 1 penny with free shipping up to maybe like 50 cents for certain things. Like, well, 55 cents for the eyeliner. I think might have been the most expensive, but I'm not positive. I know I didn't really do any more than like $1, but that was for my husband's like Christmas gift things that were like $1.06 with free shipping. So I don't even count that. I think that did start as a penny. But okay. Okay. Oh, fast. I think I'm done. I'm gonna go, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.